guys, welcome to a new episode of High Altitude Motorsports. We are currently heading to Truckfest in Colorado. This is the 2020 show at Bandimere Speedway. We got a big group representing High Altitude today, and we should be at the track here in a couple minutes to set up our booth. Should be a good day, so stay tuned for the journey.
Truckfest today.
And I'm Michael Langford. I'm here at Truckfest too. Have you put your sunscreen on today yet? Because guess what?
Talk about that. It's been 3 times.
It is sunny out today.
Not a single cloud. I'm going home.
I know.
Nice to see you. Nice to see y'all again, and nice to see you next time because I'm leaving.
All right. See you tomorrow. Actually, we're off tomorrow, so see you Tuesday.
No cloud in the sky whatsoever.
That sounds like a problem.
Yesterday it was hailing, windy, rainy.
Look at me.
20 minutes since we just talked to you guys. Instantly, it got a little windy.
So the tent's about to blow away, so whatever.
We're losing the tent.
What? Your finger's bleeding.
Oh,
What'd you do? Ow, dude.
I was reaching for, we lost his keys and I knew where they were at. They're under his shirt next to the business card box. Reached in, paper cut, fingernail, ouch.
What do you think about that?
I hate Truckfest.
Why?
The sun, dude. Where's the clouds? There's no clouds. And it's windy, we can't have a tent. This is all I got.
Going in the winner circle. Happy times, let me tell you. Well, that is a wrap on Truckfest this year. We got all kinds of trophies. Steph and Ryan were, I think, second place in modified 4x4. Nick was second place in modified street. We had another truck that we did all the suspension work get best engineered suspension. We had second place in the SUV class, 4x4 modified. Justin won in his class, and Josh in his class. So a bunch of people that were repping high altitude all got trophies. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, hit the like, and we'll see you in the next episode.